FKF Nyamira branch has agreed to partner with Extreme Sports. Our history is very, very clear in terms of football management and development, nurturing and developing talent at the grassroots level. And as you all know, Super 8 League, we are the champions of grassroots football.
We are well prepared, our teams are well prepared, and I think that the tournament will be of high value or benefit to our teams, because they will benefit from the facilities you are going to provide. At the end of the day, we may, after that we have improved the standards of football within the grassroots.
We will continue seeking partnership across friends so that we can support and develop our football at the grassroots. Feel most welcome. Make your way through to Nyamira.
Glad